In this video, we explore the top-rated cassette toilets, comparing their features, performance, and convenience for RVs, camping, and off-grid living. Discover which models offer the best comfort, portability, and ease of use for your next adventure. Let's kick things off with one of the most popular portable toilets out there, the Thetford Porta Potty 365. This compact unit nails the balance between size and capacity and comes with a sealed valve to lock in odors. Great for tight spaces like vans or boats. It uses a piston pump flush system, which is smoother and more efficient than the old-school bellow types. What really sets it apart is the rotating pour-out spout, making emptying a lot cleaner and easier. You also get a removable seat and cover, which makes deep cleaning way less of a chore. It's ideal for RVs, camping setups, or even emergency use in off-grid cabin. The ergonomic handle means it's easy to haul around, even when full. You can usually grab this model for around $150, and it's a solid pick if you're after reliability, comfort, and odor control without going full composting toilet. Stepping into the world of portable camping toilets, we tested the Camco 5.3-gallon travel toilet. We used it on weekend van trips, lakeside overnighters, and even kept it around for emergency power outages. Setup is simple. Just fill the top tank and you're good to go. The bellow-style flush works every time, pushing enough water through to clean the bowl without needing a pressurized system. What really impressed us was the sealed slide valve on the waste tank. It completely locked in odor even after a couple of warm days in the back of a van. The detachable 5.3-gallon holding tank empties easily, and the included drop-in treatments definitely help. At around $120, this model nails the balance between affordability and functionality. It's not fancy, but it's solid, clean, and gets the job done. Just pick up a storage bag or some extra treatments, and you're set. The Thetford Porta Potty 135 is one of the most compact models in the Porta Potty lineup. It replaces older, bulkier options with a cleaner design and improved portability. This model comes in at just over 12 inches tall and weighs about 8 pounds, making it ideal for tent campers, boaters, and van lifers who need a no-fuss solution. While it doesn't include a traditional flush system, it does feature a rotating pour-out spout and secure lid latch, both of which simplify transport and waste disposal. The ergonomic handle helps with carrying when full, and the sealed design keeps odors under control. The smaller tank means you'll need to empty it more often, but the trade-off is a lighter, more mobile toilet that fits easily into tight setups. You can usually find it for just over $100. If you're short on space and want a dependable backup, this one's worth checking out. When it comes to premium portable toilets, the Thetford Porta Potty Curve is the real deal. Sure, it's plastic, but the full-size seat and electric flush make it feel a lot closer to a home toilet than anything else we've tested. The battery-powered flush works reliably, and we really like the integrated toilet paper holder. It's a small touch that goes a long way. The waste tank holds over 5 gallons, and the sealed valve keeps odors in check, even after a long weekend on the road. Emptying is easy thanks to the rotating pour-out spout. It also has tank-level indicators, so you're never guessing. At just over 17 inches tall, it sits at a comfortable height and doesn't feel cramped. You can grab this upgraded model for around $187. If you're looking for comfort and convenience in your RV or van, this one's hard to beat. The Thetford Porta Potty 565 E-Curve is our pick for the most advanced portable toilet. This model takes sanitation to the next level with its electric flush system, ensuring a smooth and efficient flush every time. With a 5.5-gallon waste tank and a 4-gallon fresh water tank, it's designed for extended use without frequent emptying. What sets the 565E apart, though, is its dual tank level indicators, allowing you to easily monitor both tanks. The sleek, modern design includes a comfortable seat height and a built-in toilet paper holder, offering a more home-like experience. Weighing just under 13 pounds, it's not the lightest, but the extra features and comfort are worth it. Priced around $192, this is a durable option you can rely on for long-term use, whether you're on the road in an RV or set up at a campsite. If you want convenience and comfort, this is a solid choice.